Hi guys, Avery Dragonleaf here. This is my first video, so hello to all the viewers that I guess decide to come view. Today my video will be on training my shire horse PiratePearl to level 15. Well, not necessarily. I actually cut the video because it was getting way too long and I didn't want to do a whole tour of Jorvik, so I just decided to do Silverglade ones. So at the moment I'm just completing the Will Hill of Mill. Oh, well that came out wrong. The Mill Hill of Will race, which consists of me failing multiple times. Well, actually, no, I didn't fail at all this one, which was really cool. I usually hit my feet on absolutely everything, and it really annoys me. Yeah, so I actually came fourth in that race. I'm doing a voiceover after recording due to the fact that I lost the audio when converting the video for some reason. I have to figure that out. But now I'm doing the rabbit race. This is the worst I've ever done on the rabbit race, to be honest. Usually I'm not so bad, but I was really struggling to talk and catch rabbits at the same time, I think. Yeah, as you can see, I'm really struggling here. Okay, I finally completed the rabbit challenge after ages of trying to catch them. Now next up is Marley's. Usually I'm pretty good at this, but I kept hitting my feet on it. Or did I? I can't actually remember. Yep, there's the first feet smash. Yep, I thought so. Shires are like buses, they're hard to turn, okay? Don't penalize me. And now for the barrel race. My least favorite race in Stealth Stable. It's just so boring. Also, I turned the graphics down because the lag was so bad. And now I'm on my way to the Baroness's racetrack. Look at me go. Oh, for any of you that are wondering, I'm on the Unicorn Forest UK server. And obviously my name's Avery Dragonleaf. We'd all be a bit concerned if it wasn't. Whose account is this? Whoa, camera flip out. I think, I was really stressed, that was why, because I kept falling. Oh god, the pink Jorvik Wild Horse. Have you guys got any Jorvik Wild Horses? I picked the blue one. And I'm contemplating buying the green one, but I'm not actually sure. There's just something about the pink one, it's just way too intense and it stresses me out. Every time I see it, I'm like, oh my god. The city colour's nice, it really is, but the intensity of the pink one burns my eyes. I can see why other people like it though. Looks like a cupcake. Oh yeah, I almost fell off then, and I panicked and then actually realised I was okay. So, you know, horse goals, am I right or am I right? Oh yes, and a personal best, and I came third. Yeah, I was very impressed / proud. That was going to end up as the word improud. This race I failed on, and I got really mad. I was so mad at it. Well, it's not really the horse's fault, is it? It's my fault, but we all like to blame our horses. Let's not pretend that we don't. Yeah, I was so close. I accidentally ran the wrong way through the through the checkpoint. These shallow waters never meant what I needed. I'm letting go, a deeper dive, eternal silence of the sea. I'm breathing alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? I'm dead like the three nights you set my heart on fire. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? And that is under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Another dream. The monsters running wild. The final races, the riding hall races, which I failed miserably on as well. So lost, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. So lost, I'm feeling it. Yeah, I had to run around this jump 3 times because I kept missing it. As you can tell, I'm not actually the best at jumping. You were the shadow to my light, did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see in the final race. Was it all in fantasy? Where are you now? You only let you away. Where are you now? Atlantis, under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Another dream. The monsters running wild inside Yeah, so thank you all very much for joining me on this wild journey to train PiratePearl the Shire. And I'm sorry for my inexperience. I'm not very good at jumping, so you can all laugh at me in the comments section. And question of the day, what's your favourite Jorvik wild horse? Thanks guys, bye!